Nice. Nice.
I'm back. Alright.
Welcome back, toilet.
Alrighty. Round 2.
Oh god. It hurts my chest. That's what's the problem.
Mel, burp it again.
Yeah, see, that's why I had to get something to drink because it was hurting. I had to get some drink.
Mel, burp the word again.
Alright, come on. We're getting there.
This sounds so disgusting, but it's funny at the same time. Mel, burp the word again.
Let me catch my breath. Hold on, let me catch my breath.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you did. I don't know.
Yeah.
You just like run away.
Okay, for those of you that are gonna watch this video online, this is the burp contest room on Stickam video chat site, and Demo Girl 13, aka Melanie, is our star burper. She kicks everybody's ass at burping. Say hi, Mel.
What the? Oh wait, no. Hold on.
And she's competing with toilet rings over there. Say what up, toilet rings. For some funny reason, Melanie has non-stop burps right now. Not sure why. Holy shit, Mel.
Once I stop, it's kind of hard to... Once I start, it's kind of hard to stop.
Yeah, I see. Gosh.
Mel, burp the word.
Okay, hold on. Oh god.
Oh no, almost had it.
Toilet, hold off for a second while she burps a word for me.
I could burp so bad. Oh my god.
Are you okay, Mel?
Yeah, I just need a burp.
I'm waiting for you to do a huge one.
Like, even close to what?
I'm waiting for you to burp the N-word in a huge one. Saiga's here.
Oh, that's a huge relief on my stomach. Yay!
Saiga.
Oh god.
I just like saying that, man. I just like saying it. Saiga.
Me and Toilet Rings are having a burp contest.
Yeah, nah. She's getting free. Like, she's like one burp away from like just up chucking.
Guess what, Mel?
I'm starting to get heartburn, but keep this going.
We're at 5 minutes and 17 seconds.
Are you serious? I've been burping that long?
Yup.
Wait. He's timing. Yeah, it's about 10, 12 minutes.
No, he's recording. And he's gonna put it on YouTube or something.
Oh, man, you recording? Oh, man.
I'd be tripping a brother up.
Ha! Don't ever do that again.
Nice, Mel. Nice.
Well, good thing my face is showing.
Is that a black joke?
You guys are amazing. Mel, burp N-word one more time.
I wanna cry. I'm not. I don't wanna say that. I feel like so much when I say it. Racist son of a bitch.
Nice. I'm gonna stop this at 8 minutes.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
One more minute. One. one more minute of burping. Holy crap, guys.
It's funny how we were bored just like 15 minutes ago, and all of a sudden, we're kind of entertained.
I have to burp so bad.
Don't make yourself sick, Mel.
I feel it, but it won't come out.
Ah!
I'm gonna throw up. Oh god, I'm gonna throw up.
I hope not.
But I won't.
You keep saying that's what's going to happen. You can't, no, you got to think good thoughts here. If you keep saying you're going to throw up, that's what's going to happen.
Oh, but I feel it.
Listen to the brother. This is pretty much what we do on a Sunday night. Right, Mel?
Okay. Yeah.
This is what we do on a Sunday night.